we discuss today's next online lectures is mountain journey. So as you know about today's lockdown situation, so we create an online YouTube channel for online lectures delivered by PFITs. Okay, so today's topic is mountain orogeny, and previously we discussed about the plate tectonic movements. So by the plate tectonic movements, some landforms are developed. One of the one landform is a orogenic movement is also available. That's a mountain building process, and we discussed at the time of geomorphic process. It is the geomorphic process as a diastrophism that is called endogenetic, also the endogenetic process. The diastrophism has a slow rate movement of process that develop two kinds of lands, the oceanic landforms and the continental landforms. So oceanic convergence, that's basically a vertical in the movements, and the vertical and the horizontal movements. Through the horizontal movements, the mountains buildings are processed by the some forces, that the forces are required compressional and the tensional forces. Okay, so now we discuss one by one by the slide of this one mountain orogeny. So let's start. First of all, the three types of plate boundary we all already know about. The three types of boundaries are the convergent boundary and the divergent and the transform. The convergent means that the two plates are collide to each other, and the divergent, the two plates are opposite in direction, move out the opposite in direction, and transfer where the two plates are passing to each other. So the diagram is showing this figure. Okay. Now about the origin of mountain, basically the orogeny is a mountain building process. So take tens of millions of years, the mountains are developing. So usually produce a long linear structure known as a organic, orogenic bed. Two main processes are evolving in the origin of mountain, that's a deformation and volcanic activities. The first deformation process is a continental collision resulting फोल्डिंग एंड फोल्डिंग. जब डिफॉर्मेशन हो रहा है, डिफॉर्मेशन में क्या हो रहा है कि टू प्लेट्स आपके आपस में कोलाइज कर रही हैं, कॉन्टिनेंटल कोलाइज कर रहे हैं, देन वी रिजल्ट फोल्डिंग एंड द सेकंड इज वॉल्केनिक एक्टिविटी. वॉल्केनिक एक्टिविटी में जब आपका मैग्मा लावा क्या हो रहा है, अर्थ सरफेस से इरप्ट हो रहा है और वो धीरे धीरे कूल डाउन के सेटल डाउन हो रहा है डिपॉजिट होने के बाद, तो वो एक एक्टिविटी इसके थ्रू लैंड बना है, जिसका कि गुड एग्जांपल मिड ओशनिक रीजन में या आइसलैंड आ गया वॉल्केनिक आर्क्स हम देखते हैं. नेक्स्ट अगर हम बात करते हैं अदर प्रोसेस, जो भी आप टाइप्स ऑफ माउंटेन्स अगर हम बात करते हैं, दैट्स अ फोल्ड ब्लॉक माउंटेन्स, फोल्डेड माउंटेन, volcanic mountain and complex mountain. The four kinds of mountains orogeny, that's a folded block mountain, that is it depending on the if the forces are tensional and develop normal faulting. If folded mountain, they have a compressional force erupted and reverse folding. Volcanic mountains is a sealed and composite mountain system, and complex, they are the mixture of most of the above. Okay, so next, first one by one, fold block mountains, that are large area widely broken up by fold. तो ऐसा large area जो कि आपके fold से broken down हो जाते हैं, that's a fold block mountain. The forces are tensional, are forces footwall moves relatively your hanging walls. Okay, that's the batholith and center of the EVAS ranges from Salt Lake Seals and the other. Host and Guraban is also the footfalls is move down up around the directions. Alternative normal folds lead to the characteristic pattern called host and graben system. The area of under the tension will often have a multiple mountain ranges as a result. So आप देख रहे होंगे कि बीच वाला पार्ट जो graben है, that's are subducted to rather in other part of host. Okay, now that your third mountain system, that's a folded mountain. The folded mountain, that's the thrust fold, main causes of folded mountain. जहां पे आपके thrust ज्यादा मिलेंगे उस regions पे आपको folded mountains देखने को causes कारण मिलेगा. Whereas the rock does not fault in it fold, वहां पे fault होगी और asymmetrically हो सकता है. That's an example of classic folds terrain that develop and decline. Also this one. Okay. Now the volcanic mountain system, the two types of volcanic we discussed, the sealed volcanoes and composite volcanoes. First of all, the silted volcano at hot spot, the gentle sloping basaltic lava flow. आपको silted volcano होगा, gentle slope होगा उसमें, then भी basaltic in natures of lava, compositive forces and basaltic composition. कंपोजिट वॉल्केनो देता है इनकाउंटर्ड एट सबडक्शन जोन, जहां पे आपका सबडक्शन जोन मिलेगा उस पर्टिकुलर एरिया में इनकाउंटर्ड एट सबडक्शन जोन से एंडेसाइट इन कंपोजिशन जो इसकी होगी दैट्स एंडेसाइट्स होगी, और स्टिप कोन्स यानी कि जहां पे एकदम स्टिप कोन आपको देखने को मिलेगा, और एक्सप्लोसिव सबसे ज्यादा कंपोजिट वॉल्केनोज होते हैं। इसमें कुछ एग्जांपल्स हैं, एग्जांपल कंपोजिट वॉल्केन्स मेटेन फॉल्स, these are the examples. Complex mountain we discussed, continental and continental collision. When the continent and continental collides, tend to have a little of everything volcanoes. The fold, thrust fault, normal fault. यानी कि सारी चीजें आपको उस पर्टिकुलर एक रीजन्स में देखने को मिलेगी, जहाँ कॉन्टिनेंट कोलाइज करेंगे, फॉल्ट भी वहां होगा, थ्रस्ट भी होगा एंड फोल्ड भी आपको दिखने को मिलेगा. दैट्स इट इज कॉल्ड अ कॉम्प्लेक्स माउंटेन सिस्टम. Very good example is Himalaya. Okay, and this is also. So these mountain origin is summaries. The origin is a mountain building process. The plate accuse the explain mountain building how, and the plate collision. Three kinds of a plate collision: ocean collision, ocean continent collision, or continent collision. Force the tension and compressional shears, mountain types, folded, and volcanic complexes. So now we discuss to your plate tectonic three types collisions. So how when the different features are developed by the different plate tectonic collisions. Okay, so now we go for next slide. So now we discuss how to the mountain form. We discuss basically the introduction of mountain. The mountain, what is the mountain, and process of mountain building is called orogeny. Now we discuss the types of mountain. Now we discuss about the mountain formation. How to the mountains are formed. Basically, the mountains are formed by the collisions of plate movements. The collision is the three kinds of a collision. First is continent, and ocean, continent, and ocean. So now we discuss one by one of these situations to handle it. First of all, the first collision is orogeny at convergent boundaries. So basically, orogeny at develop in the convergent boundaries, the colliding plates provide the compressional forces that folds, faults, and metamorphose the thick layer of sediment deposit at the edges of landmass. जो convergent boundaries होती हैं वो colliding plate provided the compressional forces provide करती हैं for folding and faulting and the metamorphism of thick layer को sediment करने, और वो deposit हो जाता है आपके edge of landmass. ओशियन कन्वर्जेंस जो हो रहा है, अब फर्स्ट हम बात करें जब ओशियंस प्लेट्स आपस में कन्वर्ज कर रही हैं, द ओशियन कन्वर्जेंस मेनली प्रोड्यूस ऑफ वॉल्केनिक माउंटेन. तो आपकी जो भी माउंटेन्स फीचर हमने पढ़े थे थ्री टाइप्स में, तो वॉल्केनिक माउंटेन सिस्टम इसके थ्रू बनता है जब ओशियंस कन्वर्जेंस बेसिकली कर रहे हैं. दीज फीचर्स टेंड टू बी अ लॉन्ग लिव. एग्जांपल्स आर एलिटिक आइसलैंड यानी कि अलास्का एंड जापान. Okay, that's the figure of that. Oceans are convergent, and the dense oceanic plate is subduct into the other oceanic plates, and his melting the subduction zone, and the melting is upreached and create the Iceland arch. Okay, the Japanese Iceland is showing. Now the ocean and continent convergence, the convergence of the continental block and the subduction of the oceanic plates lead to be deformed as a metamorphism of the continental margin. और जब आपका कॉन्टिनेंट्स ओशियंस के साथ कोलाइड करता है तो ओशियंस लेस डेंस होने की वजह से सबडक्ट करेगा कॉन्टिनेंटल प्लेट्स में, एंड हिज डिफॉर्म मेटामॉर्फिज्म एंड कॉन्टिनेंटल मार्जिन्स. द पार्शियली melting of mantle rocks above the subducting plate generated the magma, and that migrated upward in direction of Earth's surface. Ocean continent convergence, the type of mountain found by ocean continent convergence are वॉल्केनिक माउंटेन एंड फोल्डेड माउंटेन. तो आपके ओशन और कॉन्टिनेंट की कन्वर्जन से दो तरह के माउंटेन्स बनेंगे, वॉल्केनिक एंड फोल्डेड माउंटेन. द एग्जांपल इज एंडीज एंड कैसाकेड्स. नाउ दैट्स आर द फिगर ऑफ दैट वन. द ओशन currents is also the example of these one. Your subduction zone and then melting is upright, and the volcanoes composites volcanic arcs is developing. It is also some developing here and here. and is mountain. Now the continent converges and the continent crust float to a much to be a subducted at convergent boundary between two plates carrying a continental crust. अब दो plates हैं वो continents को carry कर रही हैं. A collision between the continental fragments will result a form of folded mountain. तो आपका जब कॉन्टिनेंट से कोलाइड करेगा तो वो क्या करेगा, एक डेवलप करेगा माउंटेन्स को, जो वो माउंटेन्स बनेगी that's the mountains are folded mountain. The good example is Himalaya, Urals and Appalachia. The continental content figure out is a mountain range, high plateaus, lithosphere and asthenosphere. Is also example of Indian and Tibetan plates. The flipping of Himalaya, the normal fold and the these. Okay, we already discussed. Now, orogeny is also developed in the divergent boundaries also. The most mountains are formed at the convergent boundary, but some are formed at a divergent boundary also. That the mountain that formed along ocean ridges at divergent plate boundaries are fold block mountains. Okay. तो जिस तरीके से आपका जब डाइवर्जेंट हो रहा है दो प्लेट्स का, उस पर्टिकुलर एरिया पे पर भी आपका एक माउंटेन्स रीजन बनता है, जो कि वर्ल्ड का हाईएस्ट क्या माउंटेन रीजन है या माउंटेन रेंजेस है, जिसको कि हम कहते हैं मिड ओशनिक mountain region. The example 65,000 किलोमीटर लॉन्ग ओशनिक रिज सिस्टम, माउंटेन सिस्टम जिसको कहते हैं सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट माउंटेन सिस्टम है, that is mid oceanic ridge mountain system. So today's topic formation of mountains, that is finished. So now maybe that you understand about this topic, and if you have any query then you contact to me in my WhatsApp number and to the mail me. And tomorrow we discuss about the deep oceanic trenches, Iceland, volcanic arcs and the Iceland arcs also, and maybe the topic was finished. Then we discussed one by one your problems to the next lectures. Okay, so till then, bye.